I knew I was gonna like these joggers, but I didn't know how much I was really gonna like these joggers. When I put these on, I was like, oh my gosh, they are so awesome. So they fit my body perfectly. It's like they were custom made to me. I love them. I'm probably gonna buy so many more because of that. I'm wearing an extra small right now, and I'm 5'5" and about 110-ish pounds for reference. I typically wear an extra small or a small. I decided to go with the smaller size, the extra small, and I think it was just the right decision. It fits me perfectly on the length, right to my ankles. It hugs me in all the right places, not too tight though, and it has zippered pockets, 2 on the sides and then 2 down here. So I can put my phone in it, I can zip them up, I can put a key in it, make sure things don't get lost. They also have this really nice high-waisted elastic band, which again is just so comfortable. Everything about these, it fits really nice, they're so comfy. I'm truly, truly loving them. So if you're looking for a pair of really nice quality joggers that are super soft, super comfy, don't lose their shape throughout the day. Like they're not gonna stretch out as you wear them. And so that's a huge key is for joggers, for me at least, that I definitely suggest you get a pair of these for yourself. Honestly, they are so fabulous. I can't rave about them enough.